Hey everybody, welcome to Beyond Cody. I will explain the channel name change in a coming video, but today I thought we would start with how to install a third-party repository. Now a repository is that thing that holds all the program add-ons, pictures, video add-ons, whatever it is that's in that repository. Now there's some things you should be aware about. Third-party repositories tend to have third-party add-ons that are not supported by the Kodi Foundation. So anything you get from a third-party repository, which contains third-party add-ons, if you're having a problem with the add-ons, don't complain to Kodi. Also, because these add-ons can sometimes conflict with laws in certain countries, you're going to want to have a VPN. Without a VPN, you're going to get hooked. And if you get hooked, if you get your hands cut off because of something you've been watching, don't come crying to me. So let's get to it. First, we have to make sure that we can install add-ons from third parties. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to our gear icon. We're going to go down to System, and we're going to make sure that under add-ons, where it says unknown sources, click that so that everything goes to the right. You'll get this little warning from Kodi absolving them of their responsibility for anything that gets screwed up. So I'm going to hit yes, and now we're going to install a repository. Now I've just picked a repository that I've used before. It's called The Crew. You can install this repository if you want. If you don't have a VPN though, just back out. Go get a VPN, come back. I really don't need legal problems because you guys got emails from Comcast or Bell saying, hey, this lawyer wants your ass and you better delete that thing you downloaded. It's happened to me way back and I have a VPN. It hasn't happened since. So to install a third-party repository, you have to go back to the gear icon. And this time we're going to click File Manager. Now, I already have The Crew installed. I'm going to just remove that source and show you how this goes. So we're going to go Add Source. And you see this big blue bar that says None? Well, we're going to click that. And I already have it in my clipboard, so just give me a second. There's The Crew, and just hit OK. Now it's going to want a name for the media source. I'm just going to call it Crew and hit OK. And that's it. You have a third-party repository installed. Now all you got to do to get the add-ons out of that repository, click add-ons on here, click the box, install from a zip file, go to The Crew, grab their zip, wait for it, wait, there's more, and it's updated. After that, you can go install from repository, look for the add-ons you want, and install them. And this is all on you, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that if you use these repositories that you got VPN on your computer. And what I find the easiest thing to do is just go to Google, type in best repos Kodi 2024, and get them from a site that looks legitimate. Just don't get a repository for something that is on the dark web or something. You'll get in trouble. Anyway, that's how to install a repository. There'll be more videos coming. I'm going to try to get one video a week out. I hope everybody finds this helpful, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.